So okay, what is light?
Light is a source of energy. For example, the flashlight produces light. The battery creates possible electric energy. That electric energy creates light. That light creates excess heat.
Is that why my lamp gets hot when I'm using it for a while?
Exactly.
Okay, you told us how light is created. How does it travel when it leaves the source?
Well, light travels in straight lines and can travel at the speed of 299,792,458 meters per second. If you can travel at the speed of light, you would be able to go around the Earth 7.5 times.
Does that mean that light is the fastest thing on Earth?
Yes. The farther the light source is to a solid object, the dimmer it gets.
As you can see, when the flashlight moves closer to the wall, the light gets shorter and it's less dim. But as you move it away from the wall, the light separates, curves out, and goes farther on the wall and gets dimmer at the same time.
So, Tim, I heard about these things called primary colors. Do you know them?
That's easy. There are 3 primary colors, red, blue, and green. Those colors can be mixed together to make other colors. That's called additive color mixing. Those colors all together makes white.
See, red and blue makes magenta, while red and green makes yellow, blue and green makes cyan, and all the other colors makes white.
Tim, why is your shirt blue?
Well, KK, my shirt is blue because when light hits my shirt, all the colors in the spectrum, or rainbow, are absorbed, except for the color blue. Instead, the color blue are reflected to your eyes, any other people's eyes, and a mirror back to your eyes if you would like.
You can see red, yellow, orange, green, blue, indigo, and violet are all just a small part of the graph you can actually see. Do you know how a rainbow is made? The prism breaks up and slows down all colors. Each raindrop acts as a tiny prism. The sunlight acts as white light, and the prism spread the millions of colors across the sky. There are actually millions of colors in the spectrum, but we can only see 7.
So KK, you know how your screen is giving off light? Well, what are some other things these days that give off light?
Well, there are millions, such as neon gas, the sun, the flashlight, the candle, and the moon.
Your mirror is pretty cool, KK. But why can't I see myself?
The mirror, unlike your shirt, reflects all colors into our eyes.
Earlier, you talked about how the moon gives off light, but you're wrong, sort of.
What do you mean? I was sure that I got that right.
You were sort of right. The moon does look like it gives off light, but it doesn't. It just reflects light that came from the sun. Okay, have you ever heard of refraction?
Of course I have. Refraction is what occurs when a light ray goes from one transparent object to another. It slows down while at it. It's basically the bending of light.
Hey, you there! Have you learned many things about light? If you have any questions, ask us after the show. We'll be signing autographs in a few minutes. Peace out!